Today we are atop the largest rooftop garden in America, Chicago's OPO, the old post office. This rooftop offers a new perspective of Chicago's Sears Tower. The rooftop has a number of amenities like this bar service area. The entire rooftop is covered in green space as we walk along the paths. Each corner has a two-story superstructure with additional office space. There is a basketball court as well as 2 pickleball courts and some restrooms. Pictured at the top is the rooftop before the garden space was installed. The rooftop was designed with sustainability and energy efficiency in mind. The urban meadows and trees prevent more than 250,000 gallons of stormwater from becoming polluted runoff. More than 50 species comprise the rooftop's 41,000 plants, which capture over 1 million pounds of CO2 and decrease energy consumption as well as the emission of air pollutants and greenhouse gases. 3 colonies of bees call the meadow home, protecting and maintaining its ecosystem. The rooftop comes at an especially relevant time as employees begin to navigate the return to work post-quarantine. Seating niches and collaboration pods have been distributed across the rooftop, allowing tenants to work outside or even socialize while maintaining social distancing in an open-air environment. Demonstrating the power that nature-focused recreation areas can have on the repositioning of our buildings and cities, this project provides green space in a neighborhood that currently lacks it and gives occupants the rare opportunity to relax, recharge, and recreate. Uber Freight has its own private terrace on the southeast corner of the rooftop. Special thanks to Uber for allowing me up today. Here we look east towards Lake Michigan. We can see Buckingham Fountain as well as a tour boat. In an ever-evolving corporate environment, an emphasis has been rightfully placed on employee health and wellness in efforts to attract high-quality employees and boost productivity. The Meadow delivers on this expectation by becoming an urban oasis and giving tenants a place to relax, exercise, and reconnect to nature. The Art Deco architecture influenced angular paths that weave through the plantings and immerse visitors in nature. The recreation spaces provide an outlet for tenants to burn some calories and reset their minds. As we end our tour of Chicago's old post office rooftop, I'd like to remind you to like, subscribe, it's free today, and turn on those notifications to know when I'm uploading new content or live streaming.